Hellcat.
Hello friends, this is Vanna here. Friends, today is my third video of my grammar book, and today I will discuss with you about alphabet. And in this video I will tell you what is alphabet, what are letters and lowercase, uppercase, all these. Okay, so let's get ready with today's topic. Okay, my first topic is alphabet. What is alphabet? Okay, an alphabet is a set of letters usually presented in a fixed order which is used for writing the words of a particular language or group of language. This is my first definition of alphabet. Now we go with the next definition of alphabet. An alphabet is a symbol of any language used to in a writing language. Is that clear, friends? Now we come to what are letters. Okay, letters are written symbols which represented one of the sounds in a language. Is that clear? Now we go with lowercase and uppercase. As you know that letters are used to write in small letters or capital letters, you can say, and script letters. So these are lowercase and uppercase letters. Now we will try to understand what is lowercase and what is uppercase letter, and what is majuscule and what is minuscule letters. Okay, lowercase letters are majuscule forms. Letters of alphabet is written in small letters is known as lowercase minuscule form. Okay, lowercase is called minuscule forms. Okay, now we go with uppercase letter, and uppercase letters are called majuscule forms. Okay, now I want to make you clear, lowercase letters is known another name majuscule forms, and uppercase letter is known other name uppercase majuscule forms and lowercase minuscule forms. Okay, once again try to understand lowercase minuscule forms and uppercase majuscule forms. Is that clear? Now we go with next. Letters or alphabet is written in capital letters known as uppercase letter or majuscule letters, and letters of alphabet which is written in small letters is known as minuscule letters. Now we go the next is what is cursive writing. Cursive writing, the method is used with a number of alphabets due to its improved writing speed and infrequent pen lifting. Is that clear? Cursive is any style of penmanship in which the symbols of the language are written in conjoint and flowing manners, generally for the purpose of making writing faster. Cursive is used are also known as longhand script, looped writing, joint up, and running writing. These are the names of the cursive writing. Once again try to understand what is cursive writing. Cursive writing is also known as longhand script, looped writing, joint up, and running writing. Okay, is that clear? Now we come to vowels. Vowels. A vowel is a sound such as once represented in writing by the letters A, E, I, O, U, which we pronounce with our mouth open, allowing the air to flow through it. And next definition of vowel. A vowel is a speech sound made by the vocal cords. Vocal cords, it is also a type of letter in the alphabet. And now the last definition of vowels. A vowel sound comes from the lungs through the vocal cords and is not blocked, so there is no friction. Is that clear, friends? अब आज के लिए मेरा बस इतना ही लेक्चर है. जय हिंद, जय भारत. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो.